County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Monticello, or 10 miles west of Evansville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Belleville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Fulton, Magnolia, Dayton, Cooksville, and Indian Fort. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.